first sport we will talk about is baseball, specifically the action of pitching a baseball. The energy system used while pitching is ATP PCR because it is a short 3 to 15 second maximal effort anaerobic activity. Phosphocreatine uses ATP recycling to replenish the ATP stores during rest and uses the ATP during the activity until it is depleted. During the throwing motion, the hamstrings, quads, biceps, triceps, and muscles of the rotator cuff undergo a concentric contraction. The hammies during the push-off phase, quads as the stride leg flexes, biceps as the pitcher cocks the ball, the triceps as the non-throwing arm extends the elbow, rotator cuff as the arm goes through the motion of shoulder abduction and external rotation.
Next, we will talk about soccer. The entire game of soccer uses the oxidative energy system because a whole soccer game is mostly aerobic activity. The oxidative system allows for a steady supply for energy for hours by using glycogen and fat for fuel in the presence of oxygen. This energy system is the most efficient for soccer. When kicking the ball, the glutes and hamstrings as well as the adductors control the hips. Hamstrings flex the knee during a concentric contraction, and as the knee extends, the quads undergo a concentric contraction while the hamstrings undergo an eccentric contraction. When ball contact is made, the body is in lumbar flexion, and the prime movers are the abdominals. Right hip internally rotates and flexes. The left and right knee are both extended using the quadricep muscle. The left shoulder is horizontally abducted by the deltoid, and all of these movements are concentric contractions.
You guys guessed it, we're talking about CrossFit. CrossFit is a sport consisting of multiple repetitions of one or various exercises. The glycolytic system is the main energy source used in CrossFit. CrossFit is an anaerobic activity that uses the breakdown of glucose from glycolysis. This allows muscles to contract when O2 is limited. The glycolytic system permits short-term high-intensity exercise that oxidative metabolism can sustain. Here, Abs with Connor will demonstrate a snatch. As you can see, every muscle in your body is used during the snatch. For example, the hamstrings have a concentric contraction during the pull phase. Quadriceps contract eccentrically during the catch phase. Trapezius performs an isometric contraction during the catch phase, and the deltoids exhibit a concentric contraction in the pull phase.